Alright, today I'm going to show you Rocksbox and what they send and what that is. So basically you pay $21 a month and they will send you as much jewelry as you want, and you can wear it as long as you want, or you can send it back and get different ones. And your $21 a month you can use towards any of the jewelry if you want to keep it, and you get a new credit every month. So they send you this box. They send you a little hello from your stylist and the price of each jewelry. It's cute packaging. Alright, so you get 3 things at a time. Let's see what we got here. You can pick it or your stylist can pick it, whatever you decide. So the first thing we got is a necklace. And that is, let's see, Sophie Harper curved bar with turquoise pave and crystal teardrops. It costs $51 if you want to keep it, or you can just wear it and then send it back, and then they clean it and then they send it to someone else. Next, it is a bracelet. That one is Sophie Harper Arrow Slider Bracelet in silver, and that is also $51. Kind of expensive, so kind of like with $21 subscription, you can just wear it and then not have to actually buy it. And the last thing is Aster Fleur bracelet in white, howlite, and silver, and this is $42. So basically you get to wear this as long as you want. When you're done, you stick it back in the box, then you stick it back in the mailing thingy, and then they include a label in here that you stick on the package, and then you just request a pickup from the mailman, and as soon as the mailman scans it that it's on its way back to them, they will let you go pick more. So it doesn't really take as long. You don't have to wait for it to ship all the way back, and then so as soon as they pick it up, you can pick something else and they'll send it out to you. So, and it comes in like 2 days, so it doesn't take that long. So it's $21. I guess it's a good deal if you wear a lot of jewelry. And the link, if you want to sign up for it, is below.